Hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this video we want to bring you the update concerning ZI, that is ZenCoin, now ZI, and the airdrop. Now the Zen airdrop or the ZI airdrop is happening on the 21st of January, and you need to get ready to claim your tokens. So in this video I'm going to take you through this as a guide on what you need to do. So it may be a bit long, but please stay focused, pay attention, and follow through to the end so that you don't miss a thing. All right, so I'm going to, okay, let me go here. Let's tap on go first. All right, so it brings us here. So it takes us airdrop countdown. 3 days, 19 hours, 23 minutes, 49 seconds to go. Okay, so here you have ZShot binding opens on January 21st, 2025 at 10:00 UTC. Please ensure your wallet account has a minimum balance of 0.5 U to cover the gas fee. Now, what is 0.5 U? 0.5 U there is 0.5 USDC. All right, USDC. So, and you can actually deposit. So I'm going to guide you through how you can deposit USDC to your ZShot account, waiting for the airdrop. So whatever balance you have in your ZShot wallet, all right, will also serve as part of what you use to pay for the gas fee, which is about 0.5 USDC. Now the USDC is on the Solana network. The USDC for Solana network. That's what we're going to use. All right, so two things I'll be doing here. First, let me take you through some of the airdrop tasks you need to complete. So quickly, let's go here. Let's go back here. All right, so here, airdrop live on January 21st. Get started. So you can tap here to get started, and it just brings you back to the countdown. Here, you see that. So here you can link your wallet to claim. All right. Now, I've not done anything yet, so can't make claim it, and it's not 21st yet. Okay, so let's go back here. So now airdrop now. So here you can actually complete this task and earn more ZI token, right? So I tap on start. Okay, so it opens here now on x.com. So that automatically gives me the bonus there. So I claim that 100K. Then the next one is to invite one user. I can send this to some friends. Okay, so here now I can't check here because I've not invited anybody yet, right? So now you check here too. So now here you have complete a cash recharge. I don't think I want to do that, but let me just tap on it, and of course it brings us here to recharge. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to deposit. I'll make a deposit here, and what am I going to deposit? I'm going to deposit USDC. So I'll tap on deposit. Okay, so here you see USDC Solana. So USDC address Solana. I'm going to copy it. So make sure you send only USDC on Solana here. Buy USDC on Coinbase, BNX, or another exchange, or send or withdraw USDC to the address below. And select Solana as the network. So I just copied it to clipboard. Now I'm going to go over to my wallet on Brave. So I go over to my Brave wallet here. Now on Brave, I already actually have some Solana, so I just swapped some balance to USDC. All right, so what I did, I may put you through that quickly. Let's do that. I just tapped on swap. Of course, I already have it here because I needed it to also be able to do some transactions for some other projects, right? So what I just did here, I select assets. So it opens, I select Solana. Now you can see it's now remaining 8.66, and you can see my USDC here, USD coin. You can see it there. All right, I have Ether portal here. All right, so what I'm going to do now, all I'll just do, I would have clicked on Solana, and then I choose this, and then I come back here to choose asset I want to convert to. So I would just would have chosen USDC, and then I will then choose balance. I could say maximum. All right, I could actually do that. Okay, because Solana now I don't have enough to convert all of them because of network fees. So what I would do here would be to reduce the balance. So I could reduce the balance. Let's say I make it okay. You get that? No, or I could even, let's see if I can increase it to 8. Yeah, and that covers for it. So I'll just send it and convert all. Okay. All right. So that's done now. It will come here to request for me to confirm that. So I just do this. Okay. Unable to swap. There was an error attempting to swap. Okay. So I will go back. Now the thing is not even allowing me to see what is here. So I think let me see if I can reduce that. But it's not working. So okay. So I'll just close that and cancel this. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now will be to let's continue with that. No, so I'll now just go to send. Let me go to send since I already have a balance there. So which asset am I going for? I'm going for USDC. So I'll select USDC 5 USD there. So I tap continue. So next is recipient. So I type here and then paste the address I just copied. Here is it. Okay, so what I do now is to tap max. I'm okay, max. So it will tell me whether I can go or not. Okay, so I will request confirmation. Okay, so I will just assume I confirm here. Let's do it that. Okay, so transaction submitted. All right, transaction completed. So this has been sent. So what we're just going to do is to go back to check. You can see there is the sent. So we'll just come back to the ZShot wallet there, and then we will go close this. Let's close this. Reload page. Okay, you can see that it has entered now. You can see the $5 has reflected here now. So that's how you do that. So just with this transaction completed, so I can come back here and claim. Now this I can also start and complete. So let's just go back here again. Check. We have to try again. Check. Then open ZShot. So this I can claim this. So I can complete this too. Join the group. Claim that. But I'll still have to come back here because I need to claim this because I've completed a transaction which is to make a deposit for me. Join the channel. Oh, okay. So it's recharge. I was supposed to do a complete a cash recharge, which I've done now, and I wonder why. Okay, I wonder why it's failing. Okay, so now with this balance that I have here now, so it's easy now. If I go back here, let's go to airdrop. So with the balance I have here now, it's easy to now lay a claim when the time comes. But the big question right now, the big question remains, how do I check my airdrop? we're going to make another video to explain that, but you need to keep working on your profit per hour because it's very, very important. So as the days draw closer, we need to keep on watching to, increasing the profit per hour. Like I have 1.49 million here, all right, and I'm on gemstone tier 9 over 10, and I think that's the much we have here. And this is the airdrop information that we just left now. So we'll just keep waiting. So you need to just ensure that there is something in your ZShot wallet to be able to cover gas fees when you make claim. And when you claim it in here in ZShot, you can also now begin to move it to your own personal wallet where you can now convert. And so you can also convert it or transact it inside of ZShot. Yeah. Okay, so if you gained anything here, like now I'm going to claim this 1 million now. I've done that now. Okay, so if you have got any value here, you want to make sure you give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's see you in the next. Thank you and God bless you.